Have you ever wondered what makes material change states? For example, what makes water start to boil when it's placed in a pan? To illustrate this, let us pretend that there is a man sitting on a nice hill enjoying a summer day. There's a sun out, and so he's enjoying the nice heat of a July afternoon. Pretty soon, a second sun comes out, increasing the temperature and making it more difficult to stand the heat. Then, a third sun comes out, making it even more challenging to withstand. In an effort to relieve himself of some of the bodily heat, the man decides to try to move, perhaps to the next hill where it won't be as warm. The man moves and moves and moves to try to relieve himself of the heat, but to no avail. Instead, all that happens is he moves a lot. Now let's compare this to the molecules inside of a substance, except this time they're in a confined space. When the object is cool, the molecules are content, and so they don't feel the need to move around. However, as the temperature increases, they become more and more uncomfortable and start to move within the confines of their container. The more and more they move, the more and more the molecules hit each other, causing them to become increasingly more active. This is what makes ice turn into water, and water start to boil until the water is turned into steam. As the heat increases, the molecules start to move more and more, and as they reach their boiling point, or the point beyond freezing, the matter changes physical state. Now that we have learned a little bit about how heating and cooling can change a material, we will learn a short song to demonstrate how the movement of atoms causes a substance to change. My hands will indicate how fast the atoms are moving. As I move them slow and low, it indicates that the atoms are also moving low and slow. As I increase my height, my arms will start to move faster, indicating that in this area, the atoms are moving faster. And finally, we will have the last portion where the atoms are moving at an unbelievably frequent pace. Here we go. Solids. Liquids. It's a gas! It's a gas! It's a gas!